Hello friends, welcome to be a part of Creative Wonders. Till now we learned arithmetic operators, assignment operators and relational operators, right? Now it's time to learn logical operators. What are these logical operators? Let's say we have some conditions and we want to combine these conditions. So in such cases, we use logical operators. So we have and, or, and then one more that is not. So these three are the different logical operators that we have in Python. Let's explore them. Let's say we have a variable which is a and its value is 4, and then b which is 9. Now I want to check this whether a is less than 10, b is also less than 10. I want to check this. So at this time I will use and, right? So normally we used to tell like this, a and b are less than 10. So here and we are using as a logical operator in Python. And now if I print this and run this, oh, syntax error. What is that? I did not comment this. Now if I run this, did you see that? You got it as true. So always this relational operator as well as logical operators always gives us a truthy or falsy value. So here our a is 4 which is less than 10. That is true. And b is 9 which is also less than 10. So that is also true. So here we got it as true. That's nice. But then if I want to check it for 5, and run this, hey, why did I get false? Because a is 4 and which is less than 5. But then we have 9 which is greater than 5. So that we got a false here. But then here we have to know something more about and that is the truth table. So truth table is something which is we have two inputs, x and y, and then our result which is of and. So here if I have an input 0, so in computer science 0 means false, right? And then 1. So in case of and, if you have one false value, false input and another true input, then you get it as false. And now if I have 1 and 0, I'll get it as false. And then 1 and 1, true. And then 0 and 0, obviously it will be false. So these are the conditions that our and need to be true. Our and will only be true if our both the inputs are true. So that's why you got a false here, because b is 9 which is greater than 5. So that one is true and the other is false. So here one is true and the other is false. So you will definitely get false. And now let's check it for or. The truth table for or is something like if you have both true, you will definitely get true, just like and. But then if you have at least one true, then you're gonna get true. So here, this is false, this is true. But then here you have one true, right? So here we have true. here also true. Only when you have both the cases false, both the inputs are false, you'll get the result as 0, which is false. So if I check my condition with OR and run this, let me comment this out. Now if I run this, true. Did you see that? Because we are using OR here. And this is all about AND and OR. But then we have one more left, and that is NOT, right? So let me just delete all these and then go for NOT. So let's say we have variable x, which is true. True. And then what does this NOT mean? It just reverses your output. So let's say if I print x and run this, I'll get as true, right? But then if I want to reverse this, I will use NOT logical operator. How will I use that? So simple, guys. NOT of x. And if I print this, print NOT of x and then run, did you see that? I'll get as false because x is true and NOT of true is false. That's it. So this is all about logical operators. We have AND, OR, and then NOT. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.